Welcome to my video on how to add Intercom Chatbot to your Thinkific site. If you are new to this tutorial, don't worry. This is a very easy demo and you'll be very surprised at how easy it is to add a chatbot to your Thinkific site. And when I mean your Thinkific site, this is specifically in reference to the landing page, because we are going to use this to increase conversions for people that stumble upon your landing page, increase the interaction and personalization of the customer experience, and increase the conversion so that new prospects who stumble onto your landing page have a chance to start a conversation with you before they either leave or decide to purchase. The reason why chatbots are really great is, one, they really allow you to start a conversation with anyone that stumbles upon your landing page. So then the added benefit is when someone stumbles upon your landing page, instead of them scrolling and looking through and browsing on their own, you can start a conversation and really personalize the experience and answer questions and really get to know each prospect that stumbles on your landing page. The other benefit of these chatbots, especially with Intercom, is that you can set the time zone so that even if you are running your business from different time zones, you can still continue to interact with customers during the schedule that you set for yourself. And the other benefit of using a chatbot is that as you grow and scale your business, you can add more team members and you can set up customer support tasks. And also you can allow different people on your team to manage the conversation with potential prospects. And Intercom, also, as a last thing, is one of many chatbots out there that you can add to your Thinkific landing page. It's very easy to set up and there is no coding required, and it's really fun, and I really encourage you to consider it. So in order for me to continue with this demo, you're going to want to sign up for an Intercom account. So let's just take a quick look at the Intercom site so that you can see what it looks like and make sure you're signing up for the right chatbot, as well as get to know sort of the overview in terms of pricing. So as you can see, this is Intercom's website. If we go directly to pricing, there's a lot of different pricing options. I am on the start plan because I am just a solopreneur at the moment. And so I don't really need a lot of bells and whistles yet. And so this is a great way to start and grow your business because, one, you get a 14-day free trial, and then it's $39 a month. And in this $39 a month pricing plan, it allows one user to have a live chat, and then you can also have a targeted outbound chat. You can also set up a team inbox so that even when you're away and prospects come and stumble upon your landing page and leave questions or leave their email, you can see that in your inbox and follow up with them. I also love that there is a Slack integration. So if you like using Slack, then it's a great way to sort of manage conversations and direct the tasks to different channels. And then, so you can kind of see it's sort of very bare bones. It's a good way just to get started. And then as you grow and scale your team, you may want to consider upgrading to the Grow plan. And definitely, as your business definitely grows and scales, then I think the Accelerate and Scale plan really offers a lot of automations of tasks. And it's a really good way to sort of direct customers and who need help to help articles, to support videos, just as a way so that you're not having to answer the same question over and over. It sort of tries to systemize and automate any repetitive questions so that you can focus on more bigger tasks. So that's just a quick overview of the Intercom pricing plans. Like I said, there are many other options, but we're just going to use Intercom for the purposes of this video. So now that I've shown you this, you're going to want to sign in, and then I'll just sign into my account right now so that you can see how it looks like. So once you're signed in, you'll see all these different kind of icons on the left. Let me just move my thing here so you can see. And then there's more options here. And so first of all, sign up for an Intercom account. And then once you log in, you'll want to go to your kind of home button screen. and then you'll see kind of all these quick start, tips on how to begin setting up your Intercom account. And so what we'll want to do is, in this quick start guide, it says get to know Intercom and get ready to chat with leads and set up your inbox to manage conversations. Here we're going to click on this get ready to chat with leads section here. And once you see that, you'll see an option to add chat to your website, set expectations about when you'll reply, set up a targeted message to send automatically, and invite your teammates to join you in Intercom. So we're going to click here on the add chat to your website, because this is where we'll grab the code and put it into our Thinkific site. And just, follow along, because it's very, very simple, and you'll be very relieved to know that it doesn't require any coding experience at all. Now, as you grow and you want more functionality, there are customizations that you can make to this chatbot, but that is where you'll want to then consider hiring a developer who has more expertise in the code and can make tweaks and customizations based on the needs of your business. But for now, we're just going to do a very basic tutorial and click on this add chat to your website. And as I mentioned before, we are focusing on adding the chat to our landing page. There is an option to add the chat to users who are logged in, but we are just going to focus on the potential prospects that are stumbling upon our landing page as a way to engage and increase those conversions. So you'll see here they give you two options, with code and with an integration. So it may seem a little overwhelming, like, oh my gosh, which one do I choose? This sounds kind of technical. Don't worry, I will show you. Just click on the with code and you'll see how easy it is to set up. So let's click on the with code. And here they will give you all the code that you need to put into your website. And so this is great, because this will be specifically focused on our landing page. While you may want to copy this code and have this chatbot that you see here on multiple pages, I highly recommend focusing just on the landing page as a way of just targeting prospects and increasing those conversions. So you see all this code and you're like, I don't understand what it means. Don't worry, you don't need to understand, because your main goal is to copy the code. And then make sure, then we're going to go into our Thinkific account. I am here logged into my partner account. And then I want to click on settings. And then once I click on settings, I want to go into my different tabs and look specifically for the code and analytics tab. Now, this is here where you want to paste any specific custom code and add it and tweak your Thinkific site. So the great thing is, now that I've copied my code from Intercom, all I have to do now is paste it. And then as long as I've pasted it and I click save, and then I want to wait for it to save. And now that it's saved, I'm going to show you what it looks like in your Thinkific site. So now I've logged out of my Thinkific site so that you can kind of see what it looks like. So this is my live landing page. This is my demo page, but this is my landing page. And so I see my chatbot here is in the corner. And so if I am stumbling upon this, I can type in something and say, hi, I am new here. And then this means that I've sent this, and any replies will come from my specific email. So the beauty of this is that you can set your hours and decide when you want to respond to prospective visitors on your landing page. Now we're going to go back into my Intercom to show you then what it looks like once that's coming up. So you can see now, if I go back to my Intercom and I go to inbox, and we'll check on all the messages that are coming in. And you'll see here, I got a message and said, I'm new here. And then if this were me, I can say, thanks for visiting my page. Let me know how I can help you. And I can send it. And so the idea is this allows me to manage all the conversations specifically from here and track them at all times, so that if someone leaves me a message and I can't get to them at the moment, then I can always come back here and check. And the other thing I want to show you before this is over is that you can set the hours. So now we've already added the chat to the website. Now we want to set expectations about when we'll reply. So right now I am on East Coast time and I've set my hours for this chat of 9 to 5. Now let's say you don't want to be on chat all day and you want to just, have fun and just reply, set some hours so that, you're not always expected to reply when someone stumbles upon your landing page. Then you can kind of say, oh, I want to just do it from 9 to noon. And then you can always check and set the time zone. So like I can say I'm in New York right now, but let's just say I'm in Mexico City. Then I can always change these kinds of time zones. But for the purposes, I'm going to go back to my New York. And that's really just how it works. And like, as you see, there's a lot of different features, but I don't want to get too far into this video because then it becomes a little technical, but that's just really the basics of all you need to do is just install the code here, click save, and then open up a new tab to test it, and you can see the reply has already come. And so it's a great way and it's really fun, and given that a lot of conversations are happening digitally and online, this is a great way to increase conversions, increase interactions, and really personalize the customer experience. So I hope that video helps. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, concerns, and look forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks again. Have a great day. Bye.